Hi friends, Caroline here from How to Vietnamese, your ultimate source to learn real-life Southern Vietnamese with video lesson, ebooks, and podcast. In today's lesson, we're going to have fun and learn 15 Vietnamese words that sound like English words, which are often called loanwords. Từ mượn. Today's words are English words that the Vietnamese people have adopted into the Vietnamese language. Keep in mind that some of these loanwords are written as Vietnamese words, and some are written exactly like the English words but have the Vietnamese pronunciation. For this lesson, there is also a written version on my website at howtovietnamese.com, so check out the links in the description box below. Now let's get started with the food-related words. Some banh, champagne. Or you can have rượu some banh, which also means champagne, where the word rượu means wine. Uống some banh or uống rượu some banh, meaning to drink champagne. Beefsteak, beefsteak. If you are in Vietnam, you have to try Vietnamese beefsteak, which looks something like this. Pretty different from your typical beefsteak, right? Let me know in a comment if you have ever tried it. Beer. When ordering, you can say cho hai bia Sài Gòn. Cho hai bia Sài Gòn, which means give me 2 Saigon beers, where cho is the verb to give. Ô liu, olive. Here we have the word dầu ô liu for olive oil, dầu ô liu, and trái ô liu, olive fruits, trái ô liu. Sốt, sauce. We can have something like tomato sauce, sốt cà chua, BBQ sauce, sốt BBQ, salad. The Vietnamese word for salad is written the same as in English, but we pronounce as salad. So mixed salad in Vietnamese is salad trộn. Sandwich. Or you might also hear bánh mì sandwich, which literally means sandwich bread. Soda. When being at a restaurant, I often order soda chanh, which is lime soda. Ya ua, yogurt. We also have another word for yogurt, which is sữa chua. But in the South, most people just say ya ua. Menu. Cho mình cái menu. Give me the menu. Here are some loan words related to tech stuff. Radio. You can also say nghe radio, which means listen to the radio. Camera. People often say máy camera, which can be used to talk about all types of camera, including the security camera. And the word máy means machine. Now, if you specifically want to talk about the photo-taking camera, a better word would be máy ảnh. Internet. Another word for internet is mạng, which literally means web. For example, study Vietnamese on the internet. Học tiếng Việt trên internet, or học tiếng Việt trên mạng, where the word trên means on. So trên internet, trên mạng, meaning on the internet, on the web. Laptop. You can also say máy laptop, which also refers to the laptop. Email. So we have email address, which is địa chỉ email. Địa chỉ email, where địa chỉ means address. Địa chỉ email của bạn là gì? Địa chỉ email của bạn là gì? What is your email address? What other loan words do you know of? Let me know in the comment section below. For now, tạm biệt.